To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. This particular model has 6 screws to loosen. Because the placement of the torque screws are difficult to reach, we recommend using an extender tool. Attach a T25 Torx head to the extender and remove the screws. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Replace the housing and align it so that it is flush with both the filter and the rest of the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.